Well, I hope you enjoyed The Hitchhiker. I thought it was a pretty funny story. I enjoyed it. Um, were you surprised at the ending? I think Roald Dahl wrote the surprise ending for you. I think the story at first you just thought you could probably relate if you've ever driven with your parents and been worried that they were going to pick you up for speeding or whatever. And then the story just gets kind of funny and funnier. So I hope you like the way Roald Dahl designed this story. You can see a little bit of his humor of like Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, which is also by Roald Dahl, or if you've read the BFG. Just a reminder that if you haven't gotten all your giver stuff done, it is due Friday. So look through your Power School. If you do not have access to Power School, for some reason you don't have a code, let me know and I will send you a list of your missing assignments. But we are done with the giver and we're moving on to this Hitch-hiker unit. So I don't want you to just be surprised when you get some zeros. So enjoy the Hitch-hiker, and there are some activities to do, and make sure you get those done. See you soon.